Hi, Liana. I'm sorry if I mispronounce your name. I truly am. Just let me know if I am. My name is Mrs. Stoll. I am going to be your online geometry teacher. I just wanted to do a quick video to explain how the class is set up and your grade and all that other good stuff. So I looked at your transfer grades and it looks like you had a 76%. So I went through Power School and I put that average in for all of our assignments. So right now in Power School you have the same grade that you're transferring over. I will say though that in your previous geometry class you guys were not finished with Unit 1, and in the online class we are finished with Unit 1. So over the next couple weeks, maybe take that week break to do this. I need for you to make sure that you watch all the videos in Unit 1 so you have an understanding of Unit 1. You do not need to do any of the assignments, test, or quiz from Unit 1, but I do need for you to have an understanding of Unit 1 because everything in geometry builds upon that Unit 1. So that first unit is very, very important. It has some of the basic terminology that we will use all year in geometry. So again, you don't need to do any of those assignments, but I do need for you to watch all the video notes so that you kind of have an understanding of those concepts. In the online course, I release a folder on Wednesday, and then that folder is typically due the following Wednesday. So some of the assignments may have different due dates, so look specifically at each assignment, but for the most part, everything is due Wednesday by noon, not by midnight, but by noon, and it is released sometime on Wednesday, typically around noon or a little later. So this is the online geometry Schoology course. These are all buttons, so they are links, so email link, tutoring help, Mid-Continent has tutoring available, there's Desmo, graphing calculator, one-on-one conference. So I offer question and answer sessions on Tuesdays and Fridays from 10:45 to 11:15. So if you ever have questions, I want you to jump into those conferences. Then if you need additional help other than that, if you click on that link, it'll bring you to a Google form that you'll fill out so we can meet one-on-one. But I do want for you to get into those question and answer sessions first and then these secondary, because typically what I have found is that multiple students will have the same question. And instead of me going over that question 5, 6, 7, 10 times in different conferences, if I can do it all in the question and answer session, then I can do that question once and everybody hears that question. Plus you can hear other questions that other classmates may have on concepts maybe you haven't gotten to or a question that you have yourself. So those you go to meet.google.com and then the code is geometry help. There's a link to Khan Academy for extra videos and extra work if you want extra practice. The online book, and then these are just links to the different units. So if we scroll down, you will not see Unit 3 or 4 because those are not published, but we are in Unit 2. So I click on Unit 2. And then this is the weekly folder that was released on Wednesday. I do want for you to complete this folder, okay? So in this folder, and this is how I set up all my folders, I'll first do a video of what to do that week. It kind of takes you through, these are the steps that you need to take this week. I then do a write-up on what to do that week. So this write-up is essentially the same thing that I told you in the video, except for the nice thing and what I recommend my students do is I recommend that you print this off so that when you're going through the work during the week, and please do not do all the work on Monday and Tuesday right before it's due Wednesday, okay? Do a little bit every day, about 45 minutes is what you should be spending on this class every single day, right? So do a little every day, but print this sheet off, and as you do items on it, cross them off so you know what you still have to do. Here's what that looks like. So I would just print this off and I would do number 1 and cross it off and so forth. Below that is the geometry. So since we're in a new unit, here's the note packet and supplemental worksheets. If you do not have printing capability, let me know and I can leave copies of these at the front desk at Lee's Summit West for you to pick up. Then next I'll do my video notes and then the homework that goes along with it, and then the next video notes and homework that goes along with it. So that's kind of how my weeks are set up. Again, they are due Wednesday by noon. If you turn something in past noon on Wednesday, I only do and upload my grades every Wednesday. So they're due by noon so that I can take that afternoon on Wednesday and upload grades and make sure grades are accurate and go through all the grades. So if you turn in something at 2 o'clock on Wednesday, it's considered late and it will not be uploaded until the following Wednesday because I only do my grades every Wednesday. You can email me, but really there's no point in doing that to let me know that you did the assignment because I will see that the following Wednesday. Please do not email me to ask for me to upload that. It will be uploaded, I promise, but it'll just be the next Wednesday, okay? If I go back to the geometry main page, again, I said that I would like for you to do Unit 1. So here's Unit 1. In these 3 folders, those are all the video notes that I would like for you to watch. So other than that, your grades are in Power School. It's the same average that you had before. If you have any questions, please let me know.